Today, we're talking about the things you should avoid buying on credit to help you better manage your money. We all love the convenience of credit cards, but using them for the wrong purchases can lead to unnecessary debt. Here are 6 things you should not buy on credit. The first thing you shouldn't buy on credit is fast food. Okay, let's be real, we all get those fast food cravings. Sometimes you just need that burger and fries, am I right? But trust me, that burger isn't worth the interest you'll pay later. Enjoy the meal in the moment, but don't drag it out on your credit statement. Most people like to order fast food using popular delivery services, but this isn't good. You're paying extra for the convenience of ordering through an app, and then you're hit with delivery fees and tips. It adds up so fast. But then, putting that already marked up meal on a credit card, that's just adding fuel to the fire. You end up paying way more for that meal than you bargained for. Seriously, that $10 burger could cost you close to $20 when you factor in all the interest. It's tempting to put restaurant bills or takeout orders on a credit card, but this adds up fast and can create unnecessary debt. Use cash or a set budget for dining out so you're not racking up debt for a quick dinner. The second thing not to buy on credit is clothes. That feeling of getting something new is awesome, but before you whip out that credit card for a new outfit, let's talk about it. Clothes, especially trendy items, shouldn't be bought on credit, especially if you like shopping for new clothes. These purchases often lose value quickly, and paying interest on them makes the cost even higher. Think about it. That $100 sweater you just need to have? Your outfit might be out of style next season, and you'll be stuck paying for it long after you've moved on to the next trend. Plus, most clothes are cheaply made and easily fall apart. Suddenly, you're replacing clothes you haven't even finished paying for. If you can't buy it outright, wait for a sale or save up. The third thing you shouldn't buy on credit is vacations. We all need a vacation now and then, right? But coming home to a mountain of credit card debt? Not so relaxing. Putting a vacation on a credit card can be risky because you'll return to debt, which kind of defeats the purpose of a relaxing getaway, right? You're supposed to be de-stressing, not adding more stress to your life. Let's break it down. Imagine you and your significant other find an amazing deal on a trip to Hawaii. Flights, hotel, the works for only $3,000. Sounds incredible, right? But you don't have the cash right now, so you put it all on your credit card. No big deal, you'll pay it off later, right? Wrong. Interest starts accruing immediately. Let's say your credit card has an 18% interest rate. Not uncommon these days. If it takes you a year to pay off that trip, you could end up paying an extra $540 in interest alone. That's like paying for an extra round-trip flight. Suddenly, that $3,000 vacation just cost you $3,540. Was it still worth it? Probably not. Plan and save for your vacations in advance. A debt-free getaway is so much more enjoyable. The fourth thing you shouldn't buy on credit is home decor. Moving into a new place is always exciting, but furnishing it can get really expensive really fast. It's tempting to just swipe that credit card and get that new couch, bed frame, and dining set you've been eyeing, but hold on a minute. Big-ticket items can come with big interest fees. While it's tempting, it's better to save up or look for deals. Imagine that you see a sofa you like and the price tag says $5,000. It's perfect for your living room, so you decide to finance it. Now let's say the financing option comes with a 12% APR, which again, isn't unheard of for furniture financing. If you only make the minimum payments, it could take you years to pay off that sofa, and you could end up paying thousands of dollars in interest. That $5,000 sofa could easily turn into a $7,000 sofa just because of the interest. Suddenly that dream sofa becomes a financial nightmare. Shop secondhand or save for quality pieces instead of going into debt to decorate. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to big purchases. The fifth thing you shouldn't buy on credit is self-care services. A haircut, a relaxing spa day, or maybe some new skincare products can do wonders for our self-esteem. But putting these expenses on a credit card, that's where things can get a little hairy. Haircuts, spa days, and beauty products might feel like small indulgences, but putting them on credit can turn self-care into stress when the bill comes. You treat yourself to a $200 spa day, complete with a massage, facial, and manicure. You feel amazing. But then, the credit card bill arrives and that $200 relaxation session just became a source of anxiety. You're now stuck paying interest on a temporary feeling of bliss. And it's not just the big-ticket spa days. Those $50 haircuts and $30 bottles of fancy face cream can really add up over time, especially if you're putting them all on credit. Set a monthly self-care budget and stick to it without relying on your credit card. That way, you can still enjoy those little luxuries without the added burden of debt. Remember, true self-care includes taking care of your finances too. The sixth thing to stop buying on credit is high-priced technology. New technology is being created almost every day. What's cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow, and that's a big problem if you're constantly financing these upgrades. Avoid upgrading electronics every year with credit. You don't want to be stuck with monthly payments for the next 2 years. And a few months later, a newer model comes out. Suddenly your phone is outdated, but you're still stuck paying for it. This cycle can trap you in a never-ending loop of debt, all for the sake of having the latest and greatest tech. You see, electronics depreciate in value incredibly fast. That $1,000 phone you just bought, it might be worth half that in just a year. So not only are you paying for a depreciating asset, but you're also paying interest on top of that. It's a double whammy for your wallet. Plan your tech upgrades around need rather than impulse. If your current phone or laptop is still working perfectly fine, there's no need to upgrade just because a new model came out. Save up for your tech purchases and avoid the credit card trap. So we've covered a lot of ground today, and the main takeaway is this. Credit cards can be a useful tool, but they shouldn't be used for every purchase, especially not for things that are quickly consumed or depreciate in value. By avoiding credit for everyday and non-essential purchases, you can save yourself a lot of money on interest and build a more secure financial future. Remember, making smart financial choices today can lead to a brighter tomorrow. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more frugal living advice. Let's build a richer life one dime at a time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.